Good morning, students. Hope you all are good. Myself, Arpita Dev. Today, we will revise a topic from your science chapter, that is water. Topic to be covered: introduction, use of water, source of water, water cycle, significance of water, drought, conservation of water, rainwater harvesting. Introduction. Water is a substance composed of the two chemical element. Water is a substance composed of the two chemical element, that is hydrogen and oxygen. It exists in a three state. Water exists in a three state, that is gaseous, liquid and solid. Water is a tasteless, odorless liquid at room temperature. It has the important ability to dissolve many other substances. Uses of water in our day-to-day life. Apart from drinking, there are so many activities for which we use water. Children, do you have an idea about the quantity of water we use in a single day? For example, we use water for drinking, washing, bathing, cooking, etc. There are other uses of water also. Like in agriculture, water is used for irrigation. In industry, water is used for washing, diluting, etc. Water is important for life. All living organisms, whether they are plant, human, animal or microorganism, they need water. Sources of water. Children, some of you may say, we draw water from river, spring, ocean or well or hand pump. Some other might say we get water from taps. Have you ever wondered where water in the tap comes from? Water we get in the tap is also connected from river, lake or well. It is then supplied through a network of pipe. Finally, we all of get water from lake, river, pond or well. So students, where do we get water from? Right, we get water from lake, river, pond or well. Very good. Understood? Okay, now next. Significance of water. Ocean is the significance of water. 2/3 of the earth is water. Sea water is salty, but water from my tap is not. Why? Guess, student? Yes, evaporation. That is why when water gets evaporated from sea, salt is left behind. That is why in this right side of the picture, you can see heaps of salt. Understood? From seawater, water get evaporated. Water get evaporated, but salt is left behind. Okay. What happened to all the water vapor released to the atmosphere? Right, condensation, that is, it formed cloud. Process in which water vapor is cooled to get converted into liquid water. Process condensation, process in which water vapor is cooled to get converted into liquid water. Formation of cloud. The process of condensation play an important role in bringing water back to the surface of the earth. As we go higher from the surface of the earth, it gets cooler and cooler. At sufficient height, the air becomes so cool that the water vapor present in it condenses to form tiny drops of water called droplets. It is these tiny droplets that remain floating in air and appears to us as cloud. Next, where does the rainwater go? Rainwater gets collected in two ways. First, surface water, example, it collected in pond, lake, river, ocean, etc. Or it might collected in groundwater, water below the earth surface, well, tube well, etc. Water cycle. Water cycle is also known as hydrologic cycle. Water cycle is also known as hydrologic cycle. That involves the continuous circulation of water in the earth atmosphere system. There are many processes involved in water cycle. The most important are evaporation, transpiration, condensation, precipitation and runoff. There are 5 important processes, that is evaporation, transpiration, condensation, precipitation and runoff. From ocean or river water get evaporated. From ocean or river, water get evaporated and then condensation take place. Clouds are formed and then it comes into the earth's surface in form of rain. And then water from land run off to the nearby river, lake or ocean, etc. Points to remember. Water is essential for life. Water vapor gets added to air by evaporation or transpiration. The water vapor in the air condenses to form tiny droplets of water which appears as cloud. Many tiny water droplets come together and fall as rain or snow. The circulation of water between ocean and land is known as the water cycle, the circulation of water. Excess rain may cause flood, while lack of it for longer period may cause drought. The excess rain cause flood. Lack of water may cause drought. The amount of water on earth is limited, so it need to be used carefully. Okay student, now in part 2 we will study the management of wastewater management. Till then, be safe, be at home. Bye.